a vector field A, that means I cap yz, j cap xz, k cap xy. Then this line integral A dot dl, where C is along the perimeter of a rectangular area bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to A, y is equal to 0, y is equal to B. So when we calculate a rectangle all side line integral, for a rectangle we have 4 sides. So 4 line integral we want to find. That is very difficult. So what we do? That's why we employed Stokes theorem. What Stokes theorem says? Line integral, see, line integral of a field A dot dr, that should be equal to surface integral del cross A dot dA, right? So A is given, then del cross A you find, substitute area element of a rectangle dx dy only. Length is x, breadth is y, then dx dy, then you can easily integrate. So first we can calculate del cross A. What is del cross A? Del cross A is, right, in terms of x cap, I cap, j cap, k cap given. So first I cap, j cap, k cap, right? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, right? Here yz is the component, here xz is the component, here xy is the component. Alright, now expand I cap into dou by dou y of xy, right, that is x, minus dou by dou z of xz, that is with respect to z, z is 1, remaining x only, minus j cap into, right, dou by dou x of xy. So with respect to x 1, then y only remaining, dou by dou z of yz, then with respect to z 1 remaining y only, plus k cap into, right, dou by dou x of xz, with respect to x, x on doing 1, z is only remaining, and dou by dou y of yz, y on doing y, that is 1, z only remaining. Then x minus x is 0, y minus y 0, z minus z 0. That means this del cross A is 0, means this integral will be totally 0. That means option D is the correct answer. Alright.